Sawyer. Nick's move. Oh, why do you respond to Nick's but not Sawyer? Sawyer. Hi. Hi, you're dumb. Hi, Nix. Nix, what are you eating? Okay, you know what? You eat whatever off on the floor. Nix. Ah. Sawyer, are you dumb? Sawyer. Sawyer. No. Off the couch. Off the couch. Off the couch. Sawyer. Say hi. Sawyer. Say hi. Sit. Sawyer, sit. Lay down. Up. Sawyer, up. Sawyer, sit. Sit. Sawyer. Sawyer, hug. Sawyer, hug. Oh. He knows hug. He knows hug. Rah. Sawyer, fight. I didn't mean, but I mean that works. So. Ooh. Dad.
Get off my couch.
Dude, get off.
Am I in trouble?
No, you're not in trouble. It's okay. Why are you so mean about it, though?
Why doesn't he let me on his couch?
Dude.
Get off my couch.
Dude. No, Sawyer, no. No. Get her. Get her.
He's like, ugh.
Get her.
He's like, ugh, he's so dumb.
Fight. No, you can't go in there. No. She does it all the time. It's annoying. Sawyer. Sit. Sawyer, sit. Sawyer. Hello. Sit. Sawyer, sit. What? Lay down. Sawyer, lay down. Sawyer, sit. Lay down. Good boy.